This Bosch Tumble Dryer has a number of great features designed to efficiently dry and expertly care for your clothes. Auto drying uses sensors inside the drum to detect the moisture levels inside your laundry. Once the precise level of dryness is achieved, the dryer will stop the cycle. This protects your clothes from the damage caused by over-drying and helps save energy. The anti-crease cycle gently rotates your laundry once the drying cycle is complete. This prevents creases forming if you're unable to remove your items as soon as the cycle has finished, making your ironing pile easier to tackle. Bosch Sensitive Drying uses a large stainless steel drum with soft air paddles to gently rotate your laundry as it dries. Your clothes receive extra gentle drying, so you're left with soft, fresh laundry every time. Keep your family's clothes fresh and dry when you choose this 8 kg Bosch Tumble Dryer.